How to find unread text messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS or MMS. You are now in the Messages page. You can view all your messages over here. As you can see, some messages have a blue dot beside it. This means that this message is unread. Scroll down to view all the unread messages. Open any message to read it. Then, go back to the Messages page. As you can see, the message that you just opened no longer has the blue dot beside it. Following these steps, you can easily find unread text messages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.